Hi guys, Ben here with a paper boat making tutorial. So, how to make a paper boat? Simple. Let's do this with your students. Number one, you fold the paper. Let's fold the paper in half. Here we go. Okay, you end up with paper like this. Now, let's fold again. This time we're only folding to see where the middle is. Okay, let's open. And then we're gonna get the corner in the middle. The corner in the middle. Here we go. Let's do it again here. This corner in the middle. Corner in the middle. Repeat. Corner in the middle. Okay, we end up with this. That's not a boat, that's like a house. Okay, let's see these flaps at the bottom. Let's fold them two on the top. Here we go. That's one. Let's do this one too. Here we go. Okay, and we end up with a hat. Great, but we don't want a hat. We want a boat. So, what we're going to do is, as if it was a hat, we open it. We open all the way, we fold and put these little flaps over another. And here we go, we fold completely. We end up with a square. Okay, now let's get this corner here at the top. Here we go. Flip again. Fold it again. Great! Okay! We've got something like this. Now, with just a little magic, we can actually make this look like a boat. And let's fold it. Ta-da! You have yourself a boat that you can take and it actually float. Okay, have fun with your students. Bye.